Hello, welcome. Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. 252 meeting rooms. So this is a interval problem. So we are giving an array of intervals with the start I and end I. Determine if a person could attend all meetings. Yeah, so the problem gonna be like this, but it is not mentioned about the edge cases. So normally it should mention. So yeah, so for example, we have a meeting. So this is the starting time, this is the ending time 10, and we have another meeting, so the starting time is also 10 and the ending time is 15 maybe. So about this kind of edge cases, can this person attend the meeting? Yes, it can. Even though it is not mentioned, you might make mistakes about it, but yeah, you should know about that. This is not mentioned. So for this kind of cases, normally this 10 for the end of the meeting, this is not included. But for the start, if this is 10 and it is included. So it means for any of the meeting, the end of the meeting is not included, but the start of the meeting is included. So in this case, this person can attend the meeting. Now we can solve it. Basically, yeah, there are a lot of ways to solve this problem. And one of the most popular way may be greedy. It is by sorting and check if there's overlap. So we're gonna return false. Otherwise, we're gonna return true. So this is the greedy idea. So it's gonna be n log n time. So another one, it's gonna be the sweep line method. Basically, we have this kind of the meaning. So we're gonna sweep. So we're gonna sweep the start and the end placing. We're gonna sweep all of them and check the final result. So this gonna also be a n log n time. So the n is the length of the intervals. So this is okay. So but for this one, I want to use the difference array. The difference array. So I'm gonna use this O m time. So this m is 10 to the power of 6. Even it is much more slower, but this is also okay for learning the difference array. So just let's try to use the difference array to solve the problem. Yeah. So as we are going to use a continuous array, so we're gonna set 0 times 10 to the power of 6. So this is gonna be all the possible start and end positions. Yeah. So it's gonna be 10 to the power of 6 plus 1, as the add is not included. Otherwise, we're gonna plus 2. Now we're gonna check the start and the add places inside the intervals. So the start gonna plus equal to 1, and the end, as it is not included, so we don't need to use fe plus 1. We just use fe minus 1. And then we're gonna calculate the prefix sum. So it's gonna be the list accumulate with f. Yeah. So by using this way, I think that's gonna be used in competitive programming, because this is less coding and it can save more time basically. So finally, we're gonna use the maximum of array less than or equal to 1. Yeah, because if it is more than 1, definitely there's an overlap. So if it is less than or equal to 1, because there's no overlap and this person can attend all the meetings. So for example, if the meetings is like this, so there's no overlap. This person can attend all the meetings. Yeah. Now let me just run it to check if it works. As you can see, it works. Now let me submit it. Yeah, as you can see, it works, but it's really slow because there's limitations about this 10 to the power of 6. Yeah, if this is 10 to the power of 9, basically we cannot use the difference array like this way to solve the problem. Basically, we're gonna separate the value using another difference array method to separate the value, or we can directly use the sweep line, or we can use the greedy. So if it is like this value is 10 to the power of 9, but the length of the intervals is still 10 to the power of 4 or 5, it is okay to use n log n time. Yeah. But for this one, 10 to the power of 6 is not a big value, so we can still use this OM to solve the problem. Thank you for watching. See you next time.